Hello everyone, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to get Microsoft Word for free. Let us get started. Open your browser, type free Word online, click into the first link, free Microsoft 365 online. This window will open. If you have your email address, then you can sign in with your account. If you don't have it, you can create your account here. I have already my account. Scroll down. Get quality Microsoft 365 apps for free. Here we have Word for the web. Click Go to Word. Create blank document. Microsoft Word document is open now. Here we have all tab menus and ribbon. You can export as a PDF. Here we have export as a PDF. You can print, rename, delete. Also, you can open a new blank document and share your document. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and leave your feedback in the comment.